Okay, so for skill 5-1, when we do the test corrections, we'll just go through each one. So this is like 3 to the first times 3 to the third times 3 to the third. So that's 3 to the 1 plus 3 plus 3, which is just going to be 3 to the 7th power. Now, this is 2 to the second over 2 to the fourth, which is just like 2 to the 2 minus 4, which is 2 to the negative 2. And even we've talked about negative, so this just is the same as 1 over 2 squared. Remember, when we have a negative exponent, it flips down. Now, for the problem 3, this 3 is distributed to both, so it's like 4 to the third x to the third. And then so you could literally just write it like this, or if you wanted to, 4 to the third power is 64x to the third, like that. By the way, this could also have been written as 1 over 4. All right. Now here, it's often easier to do everything inside the parentheses 4 first. So the numerator is just x to the 4 plus 4 over 2x to the 4. And this is all to the third power. So this is x to the 8 over 2x to the 4, all to the third power. Now that's just going to be x to the, and we would just erase this, 8 minus 4 to the third power, which is just going to be x to the fourth over 2 to the third power, and then that just becomes x to the 12th over 2 to the third. And so that's one way you can answer it. That's also x to the 12th over 8. Now here, once again, we want to distribute the 2, so it becomes y squared x to the 6th over, now when I combine, that's 3 plus 4, and so that becomes x to the 7th, y to the 4th. And so when you subtract, that becomes y to the 2 minus 4, x to the 6 minus 7. Now 2 minus 4 is just going to become minus 2. And 6 minus 7 is just going to become minus 1. But we can't write it as negative exponents. And so we would then write this as 1 over xy squared, like that.